everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some lamb shoulder chops. First, I'm gonna prepare some minced garlic. Well, a lot of them. I am a garlic lover, especially when I make lamb chops or steaks. And I shall warn you in our journey ahead. Well, as the name of my channel states, I am a really clumsy person, especially when I am in the kitchen and making food. My mom used to, forbid me to cook in the kitchen because of all the mess that I can make. Well, fortunately, I now have my own kitchen. Now let's chop some mushrooms. I'm going to put a butter cube on a heating pan on the stove and let it melt. And I only need a small amount of it for now. Now, let's saute some minced garlic. When the garlic absorbed the butter, I am gonna add a bit more. I'm adding butter gradually because I don't want the garlic to be greasy and oily, and I will turn off the stove to let the heat keep cooking. While the garlic keeps cooking in the heated pan, I am going to prepare my lamb shoulder chops. All I need are some salt, pepper, and cumin. And I always pour the salt on my palm first because I know I am clumsy, and if I add it directly on the lamb, I might risk putting too much. Now add some pepper. I am more relieved on this step because it will just add more light flavors to the food even I overdo it. So when I'm done rubbing and massaging my lamb chops, the garlic is almost ready. I will turn the stove back on and add the lamb chops in the pan. Make sure to switch it to medium once the pan is heated again. Flip it over with a spatula or tongs. This is the dinner for two. I'm gonna make 4 chops, 2 for each person. And I always heat the plates for 30 seconds with a microwave oven. For steaks, I usually like medium, but for lamb chop, I prefer it to be well cooked. But I always pick them up from the pan when it's medium well and let them rest on the hot plates. Well, how I distinguish that particular status, I just use my 6th sense, really. Now I am adding my last chop for dinner tonight. And because I have more space now, I am going to add the mushrooms in as well. add some cumin. I forgot to put cumin to the previous lambs. Well, for that reason, I'm going to put the previous lambs back in the pan so I can add some cumin. When they're done, I'm gonna focus on my mushrooms. I didn't add any more butter. I would just, saute the mushroom with the leftover melting butter in the pan. And I want to add some green leaves and veggies for my dinner. And this type of veggie is called, well, sorry, I don't know what it is called. I'll find out the next time I go for grocery shopping. And voila, our dinner is ready. And if you're having your dinner while watching this, bon appetit.